मुकाबी रूह जब बेदार होती है जवानों में, नजर आती है इनको अपनी मंजिल आसमानों में। Respected President, honorable teacher and venerated jury, Assalamu alaikum. I feel proud and privileged to have an opportunity to open my lips on the topic constructive role of youth and nation building. Mr. President, youth comprises that sphere of the society who are yet developing bird. Scientifically, it is a well-known fact that most significant sphere in our lives is the youth phase. Youth is the building block of a nation. Youth is the powerhouse of a nation. Youth is the engine of the development. Youth is the fair change for a nation. Youth is filled with enthusiasm. Youth is filled with energy. Youth is filled with talent. Youth is mindful of thought. अफराद के हाथों में है अक़वाम की तकदीर. अफराद के हाथों में है अक़वाम की तकदीर. हर फर्द है मिल्लत के मुक़द्दिर का सितारा. Mr. President, our youth can change not only the direction but of the whole world. During the space of our mind are active and conscious, we are filled with vision and energy, can do anything if we want. Mr. President, Pakistan currently is the largest generation of young people ever recorded in its history as 64% if their energy and strength are directed in one direction. Utilized positively so it can lift our nation up to the height of the sky. Mr. President, a youth can contribute to the nation in three significant ways. Number 1, scientifically. Number 2, economically. Number 3, foremost and important one, politically. Mr. President, a youth can consider to be the Einstein of a nation. A youth can learn lot of things related to science on it and then take out fruitful results. It's our own history that we have produced numerous scientists and mathematicians. Pakistani student Umar Masood is still in his 30s and has solved various difficult problems. And he was rewarded Young Scientist in 2021. Mr. President, some of our scientists and engineers, male and female, are holding important positions in our reputed space or agency USA NASA. So we can rightly say that yes, youth are the beacons. Now I want to end my speech by these lines. अलामा मोहम्मद इकबाल. नहीं है ना उम्मीद इकबाल अपनी कश्ते विरां से. नहीं है ना उम्मीद इकबाल अपनी कश्ते विरां से. जरा नम हो तो ये मट्टी बड़ी जरखेज है साकी. थैंक यू.